Do you know lots of English words but still can't speak fluently? Type yes or no in the comments. Hi everyone. Let me ask you a quick question. How many English words do you know? Maybe 1,000? 5,000? Or even 10,000? Sounds impressive, right? But here's the shocking part. Even if you know thousands of words, you might still struggle to hold a simple conversation. Why does that happen? Because most learners fall into something I call the 300-word trap. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what that trap is, and why it stops so many people from speaking fluently. More importantly, I'll show you how to break free from it. By the end of this session, you'll understand the real secret to speaking English naturally, without cramming endless vocabulary lists. You'll see how just 300 simple words can help you talk about almost anything. So, are you ready to learn the secret to speaking English easily and confidently? Let's dive in. Let me tell you a story about Maria. Maria is from Spain. She studied English for 8 long years. She knows thousands of words, can read English books, and writes perfect emails. But when she meets a native English speaker, she freezes. Her mind goes blank. She can't say even one simple sentence. Does that sound familiar? Maria isn't the only one. Millions of English learners around the world face the same struggle. They collect words like stamps, but when it's time to use them, nothing comes out. This is what I call the 300-word trap. What is the 300-word trap? It starts with a simple belief. If I learn more words, I'll speak better English. So you make lists, memorize vocabulary, and learn 10 new words every day. But here's what really happens. You become a word collector, not a word user. You know the words, but you can't connect them naturally in real conversations. Think of it like cooking. A great chef doesn't need every ingredient in the world. Just a few basics used really well. The same goes for English. You don't need every word. You just need to know how to use the right ones. Then, what is the science behind simple words? Linguists studied how native speakers actually talk. They discovered something incredible. Most English speakers use only 1,000 to 1,500 words in daily conversation. And here's the shocking part. The top 300 words make up 65% of everything people say in English. Yes, just 300 words. That's all you need to have real, meaningful conversations. But here's the problem. Most learners skip the simple words. They chase big, fancy ones instead. They want to sound smart. But native speakers sound natural because they use simple words effectively. Why simple words are so powerful? Simple words are like Lego blocks. You can build anything with them. Take the word get. It's small, but look what it can do. Get up, get down, get ready, get started, get better. One short word. Endless possibilities. That's the magic of basic vocabulary. Native speakers use simple words to express complex ideas. And so can you. Let me share a secret with you. Fluency isn't about knowing many words. Fluency is about using simple words quickly and naturally. Think about a baby learning to talk. A baby doesn't sit down with a dictionary. It doesn't study grammar books. It just says the same words. Mama, dada, more, number. Again and again. And slowly, those simple words become automatic. That's how language becomes part of you. Now here's the truth. That's exactly what you need to do with English. Make your simple words automatic. Use them so often that they live inside you. Here's your escape plan. It's simple, but powerful. Step 1. Stop collecting new words. Pause, smile. I know. That sounds crazy. But trust me. Step 2. Choose 300 basic words, the ones you use most often. Step 3. Practice using them. Every single day. Step 4. Mix them. Combine them. Create new sentences, new meanings, new stories. Step 5. Speak. Don't worry about sounding simple. Simple is not weak. Simple is strong. Here's the formula that works. It's your fluency toolkit. 100 nouns, things you can see and touch. House, car, book, phone, food. 100 verbs. Actions. Go, come, see, think, feel. 100 adjectives and other words. Descriptions. Good, bad, big, small, happy. That's it. 300 words. With these 300 words, you can talk about your day, your dreams, your feelings, almost anything. You can connect, express, and share ideas, just like a native speaker. Let's test it. Here's a complex sentence. I am experiencing tremendous difficulty comprehending this information. And here's the same idea in simple English. I don't understand this. Which one sounds better? The second one. Of course. It's clear. It's quick. It's human. That's how native speakers talk. They don't try to sound impressive. They try to sound real. So stop chasing big words. Start mastering the small ones that matter. Here's how to train your brain for real fluency. Every morning, pick 5 words from your 300-word list. Make 10 sentences with each. Say them out loud for 15 minutes. That's it. Do this every day. In 1 month, those words will be automatic. You'll speak without thinking, just like you do in your first language. Because fluency isn't about memory. It's about muscle. Most learners fail because they try to sound impressive. They use big words to show off. But communication isn't about showing off. It's about connection. Big words confuse people. Simple words connect people. So choose connection over complexity. Choose clarity over cleverness. And here's the final secret. Simplicity builds confidence. When you use simple words well, you stop worrying. You don't freeze. You don't forget. You speak freely, confidently, clearly. And when you speak with confidence, people listen. They understand you. They trust you. Because true fluency isn't about sounding smart. It's about sounding real. So remember this. You don't need big words to make a big impact. All you need are the right 300 words, used with confidence, clarity, and heart. So, what should you do starting today? First, stop buying vocabulary books. Stop memorizing endless word lists. Instead, find your 300 basic words. You can search online for the most common English words. Print that list. Put it on your wall. Make it your map to fluency. And then, practice. Every day. Use those words in sentences. Speak them. Write them. Think with them. Make them part of who you are. I have a challenge for you. For the next 30 days, don't learn any new words. Not one. Just focus on your 300 basic words. Use them when you talk. Use them when you write. Use them when you think in English. At first, it will feel strange. But after 30 days, something amazing will happen. You'll start to speak more fluently. You'll feel more confident. You'll communicate more clearly. Because fluency doesn't come from knowing more. It comes from using what you already know. Here's something most learners never realize. Native speakers don't try to sound complicated. They say big, not enormous. They say good, not excellent. They say bad, not terrible. Simple words are their first choice, and that's why their speech sounds natural and effortless. So, make simple words your first choice too, because simple doesn't mean weak. Simple means clear, confident, and real. The 300-word trap is real. It has caught millions of English learners. But now, you know the truth. You know that simple words are powerful. You know that 300 words can change your life. You know how to practice them. You know how to use them. So the question is, will you do it? Will you stop collecting words and start using them? Will you choose simple over complex? Will you focus on the 300 words that really matter? Because this is the moment that can change your English forever. Remember Maria from the beginning? She used to freeze every time she spoke English. She knew thousands of words, but couldn't use them. Then she learned about the 300-word trap. She stopped memorizing dictionaries. She focused on her 300 core words. She practiced them every day. And now, Maria speaks confidently. She has real conversations with native speakers. She uses simple words to express big ideas. You can do exactly the same. Your English journey doesn't have to be difficult. It can be simple. It can be effective. It can even be fun. Here's the final truth about English learning. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know enough. 300 words is enough. 300 words is powerful. 300 words can change your life. So stop falling into the word trap. Start using the words you already know. Start speaking English today. Because your voice matters. Your ideas matter. And the world is waiting to hear what you have to say, so say it simply, say it clearly, and say it with confidence. Thank you.